Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is going to help you get organized, whether it is at your office, maybe it is with your family chore chart, or maybe it's just around the house. And it is a combo whiteboard / corkboard. As you can see, it is right here next to me. So this was sent over by a company called S SWANCROWN, and it is pretty cool. So first off, it comes in a lot of different sizes. One I have here is 36 inches kind of wide, and it is 24 inches in height. Now, one of the cool things as far as comes to mounting, you got two different ways you can mount this on your wall. First off, it's going to include all the hardware. So you're going to get these nice, obviously, little screws, and you can mount it in the four corners. And then they come with these little covers. So if you want a concealed mounting, which is absolutely awesome, you can do that where it just looks like it's floating on the wall. However, if you want to be able to take it up and down, or maybe, you know, remove it and carry it around or whatnot, they also include these little clips that go on the top, and then they're basically like a picture frame, and you can choose to put these on wherever you want. Now, as far as the whiteboard mechanism itself, it's also going to come with a little dry eraser part here on the bottom, which is once again clipped on. It can be removed if you don't wish to have it on. Then you are going to get 4 dry eraser markers. As you can see, they have magnetics, little parts on the cap, and then also the cap acts as a eraser, so you can just sit there and go ahead and put it on the whiteboard section itself, which obviously is magnetic. Now, you're also going to get 6 of these just little, once again, magnets to hold ahead and put paper or whatnot that you want on your whiteboard. You can do that. And then you're going to have on the other side the self-healing cork board, and you're going to get a bunch of thumbtacks out of there. I think you get 12 of those total. Now, obviously, with the different hanging styles, you can choose to have it horizontal, or you can choose to have it vertical if you wish to have it hang up that way. It's kind of up to you how you wish to have it, but it absolutely is a great little whiteboard. I have not noticed any ghosting or anything on the whiteboard part itself. It wipes up nice and clean, so that way you don't have any leftover residue. And then, like I said, the corkboard itself is also self-healing, so you can, when you move it, you don't see all the tons of little holes. But if you are looking for a great whiteboard, whether it is for, like I said, work, office, chore list, etc., this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.